Hey everyone, welcome back. A simple recipe on how to cook lamb chops on stove top with just a few ingredients. It's a quick and easy lamb recipe that requires just 20 minutes of marinating time and even less grilling time. And I'm sure you'll impress everyone at the table with these delicious lamb chops. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make lamb chops. Here I've got lamb ribs. Wash and dab the excess water using a tissue or a kitchen towel. Into a mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, a tablespoon of rosemary and oregano, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, some black pepper, some lemon zest, a tablespoon of lemon juice, one and a half tablespoons of olive oil. Give all of this a good mix. Apply the mixture all over the ribs and let it sit for 20 minutes. This will allow the meat to absorb the seasonings well. This is very simple marination. Garlic and herbs are a classic combination for lamb. Strong flavors to accompany a strong flavored meat. If you have time, you can leave this in the fridge overnight. Keep the meat to one side, let it sit for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prep the veggies to accompany the lamb. Take a small scooper like this. Scoop the potato and rotate the scooper as shown here. You will get a nice cute potato balls. Likewise, you can prepare any veggies of your choice. Heat up a pan, add a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of oil. Wait for the butter to melt. Keep the flame on medium heat and add the marinated lamb chops. Cook 5 to 7 minutes per side for well done. Add the potatoes, let it coat well with the butter. Potatoes will be done once they are golden and tender all the way through. Season it with some salt and pepper. When you fry potatoes with the meat, this will add up extra flavor to the potatoes. The meat has been cooking for 7 minutes. Now let's flip it to the other side and cook for 7 more minutes. Drizzle butter over the meat, let it cook evenly. Ribs are well done and the potatoes are nice and crispy. Now turn off the flame and remove it from the pan. Into the same pan, I'm going to roast beetroot for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can add any vegetables of your liking. These are the ingredients to make mint oil. Let's make mint oil sauce. Into a small blender, add 1/4 cup of mint leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, some black pepper, quarter teaspoon of honey. Grind this into a fine puree. There you have it, soft and juicy garlic and herbs lamb chops with mint oil sauce, and to accompany that, some crispy potato and beetroot. Do give this a try and share this recipe with your family and friends. Also share your thoughts about this recipe in the comment section below. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.